The last additional feature of the ppm formaldemeter is the ability to log the last 10 concentration samples in both ppm and milligrams per meters cubed. This is due to the fact that the ppm formaldemeter has sufficient memory capacity.
To access the data, hold down the S button whilst turning the instrument on. The heat message will display, at which point you then need to release all the buttons held. Now press the down and up arrows to view the saved data. The display will briefly show data to confirm this. The display will then alternate between showing the saved sample number and the saved concentration in ppm. The samples are shown from the most recent run 0 to the oldest run 9. Use the up or down arrow buttons to change the display to the desired sample reading. Press the S button to view the saved concentration in milligrams per meters cubed rather than ppm. The display will change from run to alt to confirm this.
Press and hold the power button to exit the display mode and turn the instrument off.
For clearing the memory of all saved samples, enter the data viewing mode as first shown when accessing the data. To do this, hold down the S button whilst turning the instrument on. Now you need to hold down both the up and down arrow buttons. This will start the deletion process. You must keep both buttons pressed as the display shows a countdown to the complete deletion.
The countdown will be clear 3, clear 2, clear 1, clear 0, and then square brackets. Once the square brackets is displayed, the memory has been deleted. The instrument will return to displaying run 0 and 0.00 when you release the buttons.